In this tutorial of Mirantis Cloud Platform, or MCP, we will demonstrate the lifecycle management use case to update system-level packages, like delivering a patch to an existing environment. As an infrastructure operator, we will need to deliver things like security patches quickly to minimize exposure and avoid downtime in the future. In our tutorial, we will update Nova packages with a fix to one of our sites using the drivetrain CD pipeline. The standard procedures will begin with picking the desired site and the nodes that need to be updated. This can be filtered by node role, host names, or even against the entire infrastructure if needed. Then launch the Update System Packages pipeline in Jenkins, allowing us to verify the diff, validate the packages in a sample deployment, then proceed to update the live packages. Looking at the Jenkins pipeline named Update System Package, the process steps through a linear progression where it connects to the salt master, determines the list of target servers, identifies the packages that need to be updated, confirms application of the updates to a sample set of nodes, and finally applies the updates to the rest of the nodes in the infrastructure. For this demo, we will manually trigger a Jenkins rebuild process to see how it progresses through the steps. We are prompted for specific build parameters, credentials that Jenkins uses for the authentication, the Salt Master API URL, determine the batch size for phased deployments, target packages. For example, we could specify the Nova API and Python Nova packages only, but we will leave this field blank, and drivetrain will automatically identify new packages in our repo to update. We can also list the target nodes. In our demo, we will focus on the Nova services on our controllers. Finally, in the case that you have a large number of nodes and you'd like to deploy the changes to only a subset of the total number, you can configure that here. These become the sample nodes brought up earlier. We will apply the changes to the nodes one by one, rather than to all of the controllers simultaneously. This can help ensure HA and can serve as an early error detection process if something were to go wrong. In rebuilding the configuration, the pipeline begins execution through each step. Looking at the console, we can see that it found the 3 controllers and is identifying the candidate packages that have updates in the repo. At this point, the operator can review the identified Nova-related packages and input the request for packages to be updated into the pipeline. Here we can either let drivetrain update all identified packages by entering a star, or we can list specific packages for it to update. We will only update Nova API now. Here we can see parts of the audit trail, who approved the request, and to which nodes it's affecting. The pipeline applies the live change according to our subset rules defined to just one sample controller at a time. The console output shows the results of the packages updates on controller 1, with the old versions and the new versions of each package updated. The operator can review and proceed to installing all the remaining controllers, or abort at this time if an issue was recognized. We can also watch the pipeline from graphical UI to visually track the progress and see that it is currently applying the package updates on all of our remaining nodes. Drivetrain can automatically identify new packages in the repo and easily update system packages post-deployment, keeping your environment up to date. For more information on lifecycle management of Mirantis Cloud Platform, visit us at mirantis.com/MCP.